Hello, I'm your expert advisor from Luminous. Luminous Inverter is made keeping in mind your comfort. We provide you inverters in 5 categories, which you can install according to your requirement. High capacity inverter, integrated inverter, inverter with connectivity, premium inverter, and standard inverter. High capacity inverter. This inverter is mostly used in commercial establishments or is best for running heavy load equipment such as AC, fridge, washing machine, microwave, and water pump at home. iCruise. iCruise is a high capacity sine wave inverter with a range of 2.8 kVA to 12.5 kVA. Integrated inverter. If you want an inverter that is an extension of your personality, then our Regalia range is the perfect choice for you. Regalia is India's first wall-mounted inverter, and it comes with lithium-ion battery. It is available in 2 models, Regalia 1530 and Regalia 1550. It has some unique features such as touchscreen display, which shows backup time, charging time, and device information. Through iOS and Android phones, you can connect to it from any corner of the world. Inverter with connectivity. If you are looking for an inverter with Wi-Fi and mobile connectivity with Bluetooth device, then these 2 modules of ours are best for you. Zelio Wi-Fi and Zelio I, that gives a great performance. Zelio Wi-Fi has 2 models, Zelio Wi-Fi 1100 and 1700. Zelio Wi-Fi is a smart inverter with Wi-Fi connectivity. It connects to any iOS and Android phone and very smartly manages the functions of the inverter. How much backup time is in an inverter, how much percent load is on an inverter, how many percent battery is charged, or how much is the voltage input, you can check everything at any time. Zelio Wi-Fi 1100 and 1700 has a stylish LCD display, which gives you information about power backup or battery charging continuously. Zelio I models. Zelio 1100i and Zelio 1700i. Zelio I is a smart inverter that easily connects to mobile and Bluetooth feature. Through app, you can get entire information of your inverter on your phone. Unique eye control feature helps to control your inverter. Eye control has 3 features: high power mode, holiday mode, and performance optimization mode. Premium inverter. Premium inverter Zelio Plus, Zelio Plus 1100 and Zelio Plus 1700. Zelio Plus is India's most intelligent home UPS with 32-bit DSP processor. Its intuitive LCD display continuously gives you information about power backup and battery charging. Standard inverter EcoVolt and EcoWatt. Like all of the Luminous inverters, the standard inverter is also known for its excellent performance and efficiency. Standard inverters are available in 2 major series, EcoVolt series and EcoWatt series. The EcoVolt series is a pocket-friendly pure sine wave series that comes in the range of 600 VA to 1500 VA. SKUs: EcoVolt plus 650, 600 VA, EcoVolt plus 750, 650 VA, EcoVolt plus 850, 700 VA, EcoVolt plus 1050, 900 VA, EcoVolt plus 1550, 1400 VA, EcoVolt plus 1650, 1500 VA, 2 batteries. In this series, you can run a load up to 1400 VA with a single battery. EcoWatt series. EcoWatt series is an affordable modified square wave series which is known for its performance and efficiency. It ranges from 300 VA to 1500 VA, which is ideal for a shop to 3 BHK house. SKUs: EcoWatt plus 350, 300 VA, EcoWatt plus 650, 600 VA, EcoWatt plus 750, 700 VA, EcoWatt plus 850, 800 VA, EcoWatt plus 1050, 900 VA, EcoWatt plus 1650, 1500 VA 2 batteries, and EcoWatt XL Rapid 1650, 1500 VA 1 battery. In this series, you can run a load of 1500 VA using a single battery. For more information, visit luminousindia.com or call on 1-800-1033-039 at any time. So don't forget to like the video And to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.